that off to get the feeder out.
Gotta get this off.
Where's the queen?
This is holding the queen box. This is just sugar water that they've been eating.
Could you guys take 2 frames out of there? Okay. So we're gonna get this sugar water. We left it a little bit.
Oh no.
What?
Yep.
Come here, alright.
See, it's pretty chilly for them to be out. It might make it once we get them inside and they're all huddled together. Do you want me to try?
There we go. Okay, now there's gonna be some bees popping up.
Well, we're going to put this piece of wood back on once we get the queen out.
Do you think you left it?
No, it's my arthritis.
You want me
I
to
don't
get?
know if Mama can.
What are we getting?
Lifting the can out.
Real quick?
Oh, you cut your hand.
No, that's...
Okay,
No, I think you did.
okay, now cover it.
Not to smash anybody.
Okay,
This
now
is
what?
where the queen is kept. We gotta take the cork out next.
Is this camera waterproof?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna go back over here.
We have to take the cork out next.
How do you get the cork out?
We get it out.
Yeah, how, babe?
We just wanna try it out.
Find the marshmallow end. Tap that to get the bees off of it. Or brush them off. One or the
I
other.
have a friend.
Just stay calm and they will hopefully not sting you.
They're still a swarm, so they're very docile.
Okay.
Okay, this. I'm pretty sure this end has. This end has candy. You just have to get it out. Cork. Okay.
Queen is installed.
Now you might want to back
You
up.
might want to put this all the way in. Okay.
Okay, now.
You
Now,
ready?
do I help you lift it into there?
No.
No, he's going to bang it. Pretty hard. You forgot to bang it. He doesn't want help. Okay. If you need help, you say.
Okay.
Is that K you'll say or K?
K, I'll say.
Okay, when you get, go back and forth with it. Remember Mrs. Hanson said you can bang it pretty hard? And Mark also said that today. You need to bang the wood ones pretty hard. On the frame. Take it and slam it down.
Of course.
Okay, back and forth now. See if you can get them that way.
Ooh.
Okay,
Yes, Gabe.
you ready for help?
Yeah. I'm just opening it.
Okay, we're going to turn it over.
How? Okay. Where's the other hype tool?
Right there. Do you need to loosen this first? Or
Yeah, probably.
stick it underneath the middle of that.
Yeah, staple. Oh!
Did you get bitten? Or stung?
No. I thought I was touching these.
Oh, well. One of the kids, the 4-H kids, when they came back.
Rubber band?
Yeah.
Number 2.
I gotta dig out one that's going to go around the board. And not break.
And then here's your
Can you
corkscrew.
get the brush? Here's the brush. So, Gabe, what are we gonna name queen number 2? What was it, the 3rd?
This is the 4th.
I think she needs a different one.
You need to these guys inside.
Okay, so 1 is Queen Elizabeth II, and 2 is gonna be, oh no, I did it wrong.
What?
It went inside.
Uh-oh.
So what
Okay,
do
we
you do?
need the knife
For what? What are we gonna
to
do?
get it back out.
Do you want my help doing that or no?
You just gotta put it on the side. Oh, can you hold that?
Yeah.
And right there.
Right there. Let's get the, that's going to make it come out. There. There
So
you go.
we shouldn't do anything with the cork on the opposite side?
No.
No.
We only want one side.
Okay, and it goes.
Give it some room. And
Are those dead bees?
I think they're stunned. They were moving a few minutes ago. When the other bees get in there and everybody gets warm, it's going to be a different thing. So let's get busy getting the other bees in.
1, 2, 3.
I thought you were going to dump them.
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to do the tap or want me to?
You do the tap. I got it.
Find a place to give it a good whack.
I can't do it better than he does because I'm worried about the same thing.
That's why I found a corner where there weren't any bees and just whacked it. We forgot to put the food on the top of the other one.
Oh, Fred, come here.
There's some fat ones in there, man.
Those are the goats. Yeah, that's flight whistle.
Everybody out.
Those guys are all bees.
These guys aren't coming out. Next.
Just put it by the entrance and then they'll know where to go. Like when they,
Oh, bees.
Oh, you're gonna get that clump of these.
And then put it by the entrance when they come out. They might go in. Okay, we need to open the other one again and give them